Hello Fam Jam, all my family and friends on YouTube. Thank you so much for joining me for a quick episode on the power and the magic of concealers. That's right, the power and magic of concealers. My name is Kenzie Craig Michaels, and if you haven't done so, please watch this video to the end. Give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you leave a comment in the comment section. I'm going to explain to you what the secret contest is right now for new subscribers. So all you have to do is leave in the comment section basically who your favorite singers are, your pop singers, your favorite groups, you know, who you're listening to right now. You know, could it be Tupac, could it be Britney Spears, Madonna, Cher, Lady Gaga. Type it in the comment field, guys, and I'm going to be doing a draw, like I said, for the Salt and Pepper Wheel of Fortune eyeshadow and highlighter palette. Also with the Salt and Pepper red lipstick, which is absolutely gorgeous and divine on the skin, with the matching lip liner. So all you have to do, like I said, is leave a comment. It's not that hard, people. Leave a comment in the comment section, and I want a lot of comments. I want a lot of comments. So I have nothing on my skin right now. There's no mascara on. I don't even have an eye cream on, but I want to show you the magic power of a couple of concealers. One especially is the Jeffree Star concealer. The second one is the Retouching Wand by Bobbi Brown, and the other one is the Correcting Concealer by Bobbi Brown. And I want to show you how you can apply the magic power of concealer and still go out and actually have a fabulous day, a fantastic, delicious day without wearing a lot of makeup. So I haven't shaved, but that's the purpose of this video. I haven't shaved, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by actually applying the Bobbi Brown Retouching Wand. And this is great. Bobbi Brown actually was in New York City, and she was actually in a cab, and she actually showed people how to basically touch up your makeup. And what I'm doing is basically the same thing. How to refresh your look and how to give your skin basically that, you know, fresh from the environment look. So what I did was I applied it onto my cheek area, which is actually all red, underneath the eye area. Now, with an eye cream on, you would see a huge difference as well with the moisture and the absorbency of the concealer. So that's actually applied. What I'm going to do now is actually, now I'm not going to put a powder foundation on. I'm going to use the Jeffree Star concealer in the C12. And what I would recommend, if you're purchasing Jeffree Star concealers, always make sure that you go 1 to 2 shades darker, because for me, I find that this concealer, even though it has a beautiful, lovely texture, and it is a magic powder concealer, or a magic power concealer, I'm putting it on my lids as well. Also here on the chin area, and above here where my lovely beard is coming in. So, putting that on, tapping motions like so, above the upper lip area. Using my ring finger, I'm just going to tap around this product onto the lid area as well. Open it up. Now ladies, you can wear mascara and a lip gloss, and out the door you can go, instead of putting a full powder foundation on. So if you guys are looking for something simple and easy to do, this is the perfect way to achieve that look. So a nude lipstick, a nude lip liner, mascara, concealer is to enhance any redness in the skin, to use with any discolorations. And after that, we're actually going to apply my favorite corrector in the world in Light Bisque, which is from Bobbi Brown. I'm just going to go down the bridge of my nose like so, because I have redness here as well. And this is a super creamy formula. And for me, I can actually get away with wearing this, and nobody actually knows I have anything on. So, right here, you can actually use it under the eye area as well. And make sure you get that blue vein or green vein, whatever color vein you guys have, ladies. And voila, you have the magic power of concealers on your skin. Nothing on my lips. These are my regular lips. Just my regular lips, guys. I know, it's depending on, what pigment. A lot of people have different pigments in their lips, so when you're applying lip color or lipstick, you need to make sure that you actually physically try it on. You can sometimes put it on your fingertips to see the color because it will change color with the heat and the brilliancy of your fingertips, but it's best to be applied right directly onto the lips after it's being sanitized and hygienically applied with a makeup applicator brush or a lip brush as well. So nothing on my lips. I just have a lot of high pigment in my lip color. Some people don't, but that's okay. So the secret contest is still going on. It's my last secret contest of March. I'm so excited for the winners and everybody who's supporting me. So for all small YouTuber channels that are out there, I'm giving you love and I will help support you guys as well if you help me as well on this journey on YouTube. Thank you guys so much for watching. Behave, be who you are, love yourself, and cheers everyone, and have a fantastic Tuesday. Kisses and hugs from Kenzie Craig Michaels. Comment, leave it there for the secret contest, your favorite singer. Don't miss out. Cheers everyone. Bye.